Unfortunately, we are seeing so much of evidence out there that goes completely contrary to this assertion. For example, the assertion that Aryans brought iron to India. That whole notion is absurd given that iron in southern India, for example, in Bhadravati in Karnataka, Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and other such places, we recovered samples that are in 2200 BCE and so on. That's some of the earliest samples of iron that we have gotten in India. And we also see evidence of iron technology going from south of India to the north of India and not from northwest India coming into India. So clearly, there is the notion that Aryans brought archaeological evidence of iron in India to India. But today we got archaeological finds in Sanauli, which is to the north of Delhi, that is showing that there are grave burials with chariots out there. So seeing the chariot burials, we know that chariots were there in ancient India around 2000 BC or so, 500 years before the supposed Aryan invasion. And looking at genetics, we can make similar kind of calls. And there are so many other notions that can bring to bear upon this from genetics, from archaeology, from climatology, and various other fields, and say that we have problems. None of this data is fitting either an Aryan invasion or an Aryan migration. Those are not supported by the evidence that we have.